Hi, I'm Dr. Siddharth Unithan. Welcome back to the channel. Today I thought I'll speak about Anwar Ali and why he was banned by the All India Football Federation from playing football. So Anwar Ali was banned by the medical committee of All India Football Federation. So I thought that I'll divide it into a few parts, like who is Anwar Ali, why was he banned, what was the cause of the ban, and what is his future. So who is Anwar Ali? Anwar Ali is a 20-year-old football player. He played for a central defender. He played during the Under-17 World Cup for India. He represented India. He was an immense talent, and due to his talent, he was even signed by Mumbai City FC as for their central defender. Now, why was he banned? So what happened is, when he got signed by the Mumbai City FC, you have to do a medical, like all transfers have to do a medical clearance. Now coming to the second part, why was Anwar Ali banned? So he signed for Mumbai City FC, and in order to complete the signing you have to get a medical clearance. During the medicals he was found to have a congenital heart condition. Now due to the heart condition, both the parties mutually terminated the contract, and but due to his immense talent, he was sent by the All India Football Federation to France under Dr. Francois Carré to assess him, who's a senior sports medicine physician, and his report came to say that he has a very high chance of getting sudden cardiac death on training or on severe exertion, so he should avoid playing the sport. Now this report was assessed by the medical team of the All India Football Federation, and they gave an order saying that he should not be playing football. Now what was this condition which prevented him from playing football? The exact congenital heart condition is not yet known, since it's private. What we can say is that he has something called hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. So this condition is where the heart muscles get thickened and it obstructs the blood flow in the heart, and hence what happens is that on strenuous work such as running or playing, what happens is that the heart constricts and there is no blood flow, and that causes fainting, cardiac arrest, and even sudden cardiac death. So in this case, since there was a high chance of sudden cardiac death, the medical committee had advised him not to play any sports. Now about the future of Anwar Ali. This is quite sad because due to his condition, he's not allowed to play sports, and he comes from a very poor background. The exact cause of his condition is not yet known. So what we can say is that usually a heart transplant or a surgical correction can be done, but the best method is not to play sports, and that is what has been advised. He has written in his letter to All India Football Federation that there has been a precedence in Manchester United where a player has similar condition to his, where they played him less than 60 minutes in a game, and during training or during the game there was a separate doctor just to look after him. Now what the good news is that Mohammedan Sporten has agreed for such a condition to take care in a similar manner. Now it is upon the medical team and the All India Football Federation to decide whether this can be accepted or not. But the problem is that there is always a very high chance of risk of sudden cardiac death, and this is a very ethical conundrum for both the player as well as for the All India Football Federation Association. But at the end, the health of the athlete is paramount, and most probably he will be advised not to play sports. So hopefully a solution is found for Anwar Ali, and he can return back into the game which he loves. Why I took up this topic was, one, to tell about the importance of cardiological screening as part of a medical screening in sports medicine. Sports medicine physicians are trained in cardiological screening so that they can detect such conditions and prevent sudden cardiac death in athletes, which is a very huge problem for many athletes who they don't recognize that such conditions are there in them. So thank you for listening. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please do like it, and do comment below if you have any other opinions or comments. Thank you for listening.